So I was heading over to do a story on Victor Nordell. He was a World War I and World War II hero, and it looks like they're exhuming the body. I'm not sure why, because he died in 1960, or some sort of grave robbing. I don't know if grave robbers would cover it back up like this, but very odd to see. Actually, the first time I've ever seen where they've done something like this. So they must be doing some kind of investigation or something on it. That's the only thing that I could think of. Yeah, I definitely don't like to see this because it disturbs the grave, but some reason that they decided to do this. Yeah, nothing in here that you can see. But yeah, hopefully it wasn't some kind of grave robbing, or I don't know why they would target this grave. But interesting to say the least. Rest in peace.